Hey, welcome back to RC Barbed Wire.
Hey guys, RC all the way.
We're back along the Nation River in Plantagenet.
Yeah, really nice falls here, Jessup Falls. So.
We're at a
Yeah,
new
it's really
location, so
we're gonna take my Danchee and a new addition,
yeah, the
our new
Deadbolt.
family member.
So hope you enjoy.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, I love it. It's pretty capable. Just stock like that there.
Yeah. So we switched drivers, but obviously we too.
Yeah, it's got to be red.
It's on.
Oh yeah, okay.
Colin.
It's me then. I didn't film.
Oh. Well, we changed drivers because I was flipping it too much, and I didn't want to ruin his truck, so. Major body rub.
Right there.
Yeah, you see it. Whoa! At least it's not raining. When we left the house, it was raining. We're about 15 minutes away from our house. Yeesh. Oh, yeah. That was nice. That was nice. Ooh. Yeah, it's like you really have to go in the water, but I think you're way too much in the water. Oh, he went down. You did it. I find the tires are very, yeah, but I find them, they don't grip.
No, they're not the best.
No, I'm gonna have to change the tires.
The tire at home that I'll put on.
Yeah.
No.
Right.
Oh, cowgirl. Move, you'll get it off. Backwards, forward. There we go. There, that way. Yeah. Okay, it's up to you.
Come on, girl.
Keep going.
I know, moving the rock, man. Come on. Oh, you got that. Need just a little push. Careful, you.
That's all, yeah.
Yeah, next time there.
No, you have to turn and go up. Unless you go,
Ooh, I'm a cowgirl, man. I go everywhere. No, I'm not a cowgirl.
yeah, yeah.
Hang on. I find it's easy to roll. Or it's just me.
No, it's just you.
Maybe I should film and you should, because I'm gonna wreck your
Maybe.
truck, man. Here. Hopefully we don't get any more fishing again. Hey buddy, you okay? Yeah, my hand again. Yes. Again. See, maybe it's not just me. No, it's probably just me. you don't flip it as much as I do.
Is that a piece of line still?
Yep. No, it's
No.
down below. Look, I see it.
Is it stuck in it? No. Pull it though.
Oh my, eh? Check this, guys. More fishing line.
Is there anything in the end? No. Okay.
Unbelievable. Makes me
Okay.
so mad.
There's more there.
And there's
So-
like raccoon marks here. Poor raccoons. There, I got it.
You're on the rock with the rest. Well, look at all the ducks.
No!
Oh, cool.
You gotta be careful. Look, there's a rock that's got like a point on it. I'd go up on that side. Ah! And I just finished giving it brownies. Jeez.
Oh no, the back is in.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
I think I know why.
Almost dropped the camera.
What's wrong?
Oh man.
I think it's my pin that I made there.
Oh, okay.
No, than the right one. I made one.
A homemade one. Sometimes you gotta MacGyver some stuff. Okay, well,
And that's what it is because
No.
it's turning. So okay, well, the Danchee's out of commission.
out of commission for now. Again. No, I just finished telling it how good it was. No, it's still a good chuck. I like my Danchee. Yeah. It's not a hard fix. So. This is like our nature. This is, our world. Why would you just throw things? I mean, there's garbages up on top. There's 2 of them. Stick it in your pocket, Like, stick it in your friggin' where you put your beer or whatever. Don't throw it on the side of the water. I love nature. I love my land, and I don't pollute. I would rather put it in my pocket, put it in my car, wait till I find a garbage where I can throw it instead of throwing it where, nature can get it, an RC can get it. I mean, he could have broken his RC. Okay, I'm done my rant, guys. Behind you.
Put the remote running. Oh, okay, what's he?
It's because if I put it around my neck, it's dangling. Okay, I'm back. I wiped out. You're stuck. Freaking hole where I fell. Don't pass where I went, you're gonna fall. No. Yeah. Yeah, you hit a certain age and you slip and fall, you don't recover as fast. Hey.
We'll be able to try it. I don't think so.
Yes,
We'll try.
let's see. Come on. You gonna flip again? No, back up. Nope. Yes. Ah. Another flip.
No, I did that.
Don't you fall. Oh. Then you gotta come up here. That way more. Back up. Yeah. You coming here? Yeah, you were coming here.
I'll try it again, but
Yeah. Third time's a charm.
looking sideways, that's
Is he
why
okay? He wants to get out, that's why.
It's scary.
Like, you guys keep flipping me, man.
Little rock there.
It's always the little things, always the little things. You get it. Yeah, try more.
This way, I guess.
And then turn. Might be a lost cause, babe.
There's another way I can try.
Yeah.
Try it.
Don't wedge yourself.
Yeah. Okay, it goes wide. I didn't
That
think
was
it
wide
fit.
enough. Hang on.
I'm gonna try there. Can I gun up there? Here? Maybe.
Yeah.
Good.
Just don't get it here.
Now there's 6 steps.
Oh, not far, eh? Hey, guys. Quack, quack. Yeah, we don't mean you no harm. We're not gonna eat you. You're out of season. Whoa, whoa. Getting aggressive, are we? Yeah. You can make it up there. I think it's just because you're caught in the friggin' weeds, man. Ish. No. Excuse me, monsieur. Give it all you got. Give it all you got. Give it all. Oh, 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 oh. So close. Come on, come on, come on. Ah.
Friggin' grass in the wheel, eh?
There.
Oh, no, I got grass in the front wheel.
There we go. Nobody saw anything.